In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add TikTok sounds to CapCut on PC. Whether you're creating content for fun, building a brand, or jumping on the latest TikTok trends, adding the right sound can make all the difference. Music and sound effects help set the mood, catch attention, and make your videos stand out in the endless scroll. Thankfully, CapCut makes it super easy to access TikTok sounds directly from the app. So if you're ready to take your videos to the next level, let's dive right into the tutorial. First, you'll want to open the CapCut app on your PC. CapCut is a powerful video editing tool that gives you everything you need to create engaging content. And it's specifically designed to make adding TikTok sounds a breeze. If you don't already have CapCut installed or an account set up, you can use the link in the description to get started. Once you have the app open, the next step is to either start a new project or open an existing one. Starting fresh allows you to build from the ground up, while opening a previous project is great if you're revisiting something you've already worked on. Either way, this step sets up your workspace so you can start adding and editing audio. Now, look toward the top left corner of the CapCut interface and click on the Audio tab. This is your go-to area for all things sound-related in CapCut. From here, you can access music, sound effects, and other audio tools to enhance your project. Within the Audio tab, locate the search bar or browse area. It's usually easy to spot, but if you don't see it right away, just take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Once you've found it, type the word TikTok into the search bar and press enter. This will bring up a curated selection of TikTok music and sound effects that CapCut has made available for you. From here, take your time browsing through the results. You'll find trending tracks, popular sound bites, and a variety of TikTok audio options. Keep in mind, you can also switch over to the sound effects section if you're looking for something specific like viral audio clips or short musical stingers. This section is especially helpful if you're aiming for those quick, catchy moments that TikTok is known for. Now, before you make your final decision, it's a good idea to preview the sounds. Simply click on any track or sound effect, and CapCut will play a sample for you. This is an important step because it ensures the audio matches the mood and style of your video. After all, the right sound can amplify your visuals, while the wrong one might feel out of place. Once you've found the perfect TikTok sound, click on it to add it to your timeline. You'll see the audio file appear in your project, ready to be fine-tuned. Now, this is where you can get creative. Use the editing tools in CapCut to trim the audio so it starts and stops exactly where you want. If the sound is too short or you want it to repeat, you can loop it. And don't forget to adjust the volume. Balancing the audio ensures it complements your video rather than overpowering it. When you're happy with how everything sounds, it's time to save your project. Saving secures all your edits and gets your video ready for export or any additional tweaks you might want to make later. Trust me, you don't want to skip this step. It's always better to have your work backed up. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to add TikTok sounds to your videos using CapCut on PC. With the right audio in place, your content is sure to grab attention and keep viewers engaged. If you have any questions or run into any issues, let me know in the comments. I'd love to help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.